Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very simple and interesting problem called find closest person to person 3. In this problem, we are given three integers: x position of person 1, y is the position of person 2, z is the position of person 3. Person 3 does not move while person 1 and person 2 move toward person 3 at the same speed. Our task is to determine who reaches person 3 first. Return if person 1 reaches first, return 2 if the person 2 reaches the first, return 0 if both reaches at the same time. Let's understand with this in example. Here, suppose I have x is equal to y is equal to 7, z is equal to 4, and distance of person 1 from person 3. Now it will be 2, and distance from person 2 to person 3 is 3. Since person was just travel favor step toward person 1, so person 1 which is first, so we will return 1. Now let's see another example. X is equal to y is equal to 5, z is equal to 6. Person 1 distance is 4, person 2 distance is 1, so person 2 is closer, so that's why answer will be 2. Now let's see the tie case. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 3, z is equal to okay, z is equal to 3. Person 1 distance is 2, person 2 distance is 2. So here both are tie, so then we will return 0. Now let's see the approach. Since both persons move at the same speed, we only need to compare their distance from person 3 using distance formula. We are going to calculate distance for person 1 from person 3 and same for person 2 from person 3. I'm going to compare both distances and return the appropriate answer. Let's see the code here. We will calculate distance here. We will distance 1. Here we're gonna use absolute, which will return positive digit every time. X minus z, person 1 minus person third, and another distance where we will come so person 2 minus person z. Now if distance 1 is less than distance 2, return 1. Also distance 2 is less than distance 1, return 2. Or else both are same, return 0. Let's check it if it's working or not. Okay, there is a error. Fine. Okay. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy coding.